What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Rapid Revive Electronics. So today I've got a Dell, I think it's a Inspiron laptop in. Customer says that the laptop is not charging, or it's not charging very well. It had a fall off the end of the sofa with the charger lead plugged in. So I think the first thing to do is the customer's bought the laptop charger in. And just having a quick look at it there, you can see it doesn't look very good. You can see it should be straight, but it's bent off to the side. So yeah, that's definitely taken a knock. Let's just check that we've got some voltage there. See if it is actually still working. So, test it on voltage, and let's just test. I've got nothing there. So this could be quite an easy one. It's just the nothing. Okay, so let's try another charger. Okay, so just got another charger. Let's see if we've got 19 volts on this one. Yes. Right, okay. So, it looks like that was a nice and easy one, guys. It looks like it's an issue with the charger. But let's just check. Plugging it in. And we don't have a charging light. Nothing. Nothing there at all. Maybe not such an easy one. Right, okay. Let's get her opened up and take a look. Okay, so the charging part is just down here. Still no charge light. Let's see if we've got any voltage. Nothing. Right, let's get this motherboard out. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's something wrong with this charging lead. So let's just, it's charging adapter that actually fits onto the computer. So let's just see if we've got any continuity there. Okay, that's okay. Right, okay, let's go ahead and change the charging port. Just bought a new one. It's only a few pound off eBay. Just need to run the cable around there. And we'll probably speed this bit up, so just run the cable, plug everything back in, and we'll speed it up just so you guys can see it. Right, okay, let's give it a test. So, let's get the charger. Plug it in the charger. Let's see if we've got charging light. And we do have a charging light. So, looking good. Let's test the laptop. Power on. Might take a minute because we've reset the BIOS. And is it coming on? Yes, we have the screen. So that's it, that's this one done. A nice easy job, just changing the charging port there. So I hope you like this video, everybody. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The links are in the bio if you need to send anything in, and we will see you in the next one.